Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Finalia Khodanisa Afiari. I'm from IPSE 2018. In this video, I'll try to explain about Earth magnetic phenomena, or as we know, aurora. But before we talk about aurora, I think we have to know what is Earth's magnetic field first. So what is Earth's magnetic field? Earth's magnetic field is approximately a magnetic dipole, with the magnetic field south pole near the Earth's geographic north pole and the other magnetic field north pole near the Earth's geographic south pole, as you can see in the picture. And this makes the compass usable for navigation. The Earth's magnetic field, also known as geomagnetic field, acts like a protective shield around the Earth, repelling and trapping charged particles from the sun. And the magnetic field is generated by electric currents due to the uh, motion of convection currents of a mixture of iron and nickel in the Earth's outer core. And when solar material stream strikes Earth's magnetosphere, it can become trapped and held into two donut-shaped belts around the planet called the Van Allen belts. And the belts restrain the particles to travel along the Earth's magnetic field lines, continually bouncing back and forth from pole to pole. But for your additional information, over the South America and the Southern Atlantic Ocean, an unusually weak spot in the field called South Atlantic Anomaly, or SAA, allows these particles to dip closer to the surface than normal. Typically, the belt is at least a few thousand kilometers above the surface, but here in SAA, it's only about 600 kilometers up. And the particle radiation in this region can knock out onboard computers, like hit the computer chip and change its memory, like flipping signals from on to off or vice versa. And that can cause anything from bad data to server malfunction or crashes. So back to our main topic, what is an aurora? If you're ever near the North or South Pole, you might find these beautiful light shows in the sky. These lights are called auroras. Aurora is a natural electrical phenomenon characterized by the appearance of streamers of reddish or greenish light in the sky, usually near the northern or southern magnetic pole. If you're near the North Pole, it's called aurora borealis or northern light. But if you're near the South Pole, it's called aurora australis or the southern lights. So what makes aurora happen? Even though aurora are best seen at night, they are actually caused by the sun. As I said before, when solar material stream strikes by Earth's magnetosphere, some of the material become trapped and causes the Van Allen belts, right? And some of the material gets directed into our atmosphere and causes the aurora. So the sun sends us a lot of its energy and small particles besides heat and light, but the sun doesn't send the same amount of energy all the time, right? Sometimes the sun sends us electrically charged particles with supersonic speeds, and this phenomenon called a coronal mass ejection, or CMEs for short. Or we can imagine like this. the sun burps out a huge bubble of electrified gas that can travel through space at high speeds. And when it's happened, some of the energy and small particles can travel down the magnetic field, both at north and south poles into Earth's atmosphere. And then the particles interact with gases in our atmosphere, resulting beautiful displays of light in the sky. So the green and red light in the sky, uh, uh, it glows from oxygen, and the blue and purple lights glows from nitrogen. That's all from me. Thank you very much. I'm sorry if I did some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.